Anyo Dave Tristan P. with honors. Perfect in attendance. Second place, Masquerade Drum and Lyre Competition 2025. Champion, Humanistic Math 2026 Division Math Olympics. Barcenas Louis Alfred E. with honors. Perfect in attendance. Belhera Cedric Ian Orr with honors. Champion Tower of Hanoi Relay and Champion Tower of Hanoi Blind Division Math Olympics 2026. Buhos Christian Lloyd F. with honors. Perfect in attendance. Kasinagan John Louis M. with honors. Perfect in attendance. Second place, Masquerade Drum and Lyre Corps Competition 2025. Chavez Alexander Anthony D. with honors. Second place, Masquerade Drum and Lyre Competition 2025. De Los Reyes Gerald B. with honors. Perfect in attendance. Diaz Kenny John J. with honors. Edemni Person Jason M. with honors. Champion Humanistic Math 2026 Division Math Olympics. Galang Garrett Paul with honors. Second place, Masquerade Drum and Lyre Corps Competition 2025. Gargar Emmanuel T. with honors. Hoxon Eman Siv D. perfect in attendance. Lopez Jethro Miguel Orr with honors. Perfect in attendance. Second place, Masquerade Drum and Lyre Competition. Second place, Power Car Relay, Sci Olympics 2026. Resonable Francis Josh with honors. Perfect in attendance. Champion, Tower of Hanoi Relay. Satinyan Ken John S. with honors. Perfect in attendance. Fourth place, Sports Writing Filipino, DSPC 2026. Acosta Athena Marie with honors. Perfect in attendance. Biboso Hayan with honors. Perfect in attendance. Champion, Tower of Hanoi Relay, Division Math Olympics 2026. Second place, Masquerade Drum and Lyre Competition. Menandres Gerald Meiji with honors. Perfect in attendance. Biono Daniela Janice G. with honors. Serialis Quincy Pearl P. with honors. Perfect in attendance. Champion, Humanistic Math 2026 Division Math Olympics. Delgado Haileron Nicole Orr with honors. Second place, Masquerade Drum and Lyre Competition 2025. Espirico Louis Orion D. with honors. Juliesa Luby Jordan C. Jomen Tiffany Gale B. with honors. Second place, Masquerade Drum and Lyre Competition 2025. Katipunan Joanna Venice P. with honors. Seventh place, Column Writing Filipino DSPC 2026. Labansawan French Jen L. Malimbat Zoe Sinclair N. with high honors. Sixth place, Editorial Writing English DSPC 2026. Natuel Mara C. with honors. Perfect in attendance. Purissima Eugene R. with honors. Sabuero Denise Vela O. with honors. Soberano Kanyang Alfeo A. with honors. Perfect in attendance. Vicentino Juliana Heso R. and Janson Cristel Marilu B. with honors.